Les rêves des amoureux sont comme le bon vin. Ils donnent de la joie ou bien du chagrin. Affaibli par la faim, je suis malheureux. Volant en chemin, tout ce que je peux, car rien n'est gratuit dans la vie.
I want to go play video games. Oh, I did not see you there. Welcome to the first episode of Chef Moxie. Hello, my name is Chef Moxie, like I just said, and today we are going to be making something to start off this season. What's the best way to start it off with, you may ask? Prologue pancakes. See what I did there? According to my book, the oat seed, I ain't reading the history of this. We're gonna be cooking today. I want to be making the one that involves Bisquick, which it has a recipe behind here. We don't listen to that. It's more guidelines than actual rules. Which, by the way, if you use that rule for everything, you're not gonna have a good time. Mostly for cooking, alright? Anyways, let's get started, shall we? I hope this is good on the tape. Jeez, so many edits. So, thank you for that brief intermission. And pretty much, just take those ingredients, add a little bit of ground cinnamon and a little bit of sugar. I don't know how much, just to taste. And just mix it up. Hey, cue the mixing music. Once you're done mixing, it should look a little bit like this. So, in order to make sure the pancakes do not stick, you're going to have to put a little bit of butter flavored cooking spray. Just give it a good dab, just a nice. That's bad. Anyways, so let's get that nice 1/4 cup of batter. That's close enough. Let's bring it a little bit closer to the food. And of course, let's just get the batter and place it on here. There we go. Very nice. Very nice. Just pour it down the middle. It should make a nice circular shape as it goes. These are a little bit small. So if it's a little bit small, just grab a little bit more extra batter and just pour it right on top. Just right on top. Like so. There. That's good. That's good. Good sized. Good sized. And you know how I say I like chocolate chips? Well, we have some right here. Let's bust them open. So, I re-looked into my handbook, and apparently you're supposed to wait until the top on here starts to bubble a little bit. So while we're waiting, let's put a couple more chocolate chips, because I love chocolate chips really much, more than I'm supposed to. That looks really good. Also, very good note, whenever you are making pancakes, make sure you always have a plate ready to plate them, because once you start hauling, the pan is going to be hot, and you're going to just have to put these on, put some chocolate chips on, flip them, and then put them in there. It's going to be more efficient than the Ford assembly line. At least that's what I think it's called. I gotta be in history. And that, my friends, concludes the first episode of Chef Moxie with prologue pancakes. Let us taste the fruits of our labor. I love saying that.
This is Chef Moxie signing off.